Put 4¼ cups of milk in a pan and add salt to taste. Add nutmeg as needed. Heat the milk and in the meantime prepare the thickening base of the bechamel. Gently melt ½ cup of butter over a low heat. Add 1 cup of cake flour all at once. Mix the butter and flour together with a whisk until the base turns slightly golden. Pour in a little of the warm milk to soften the mixture, and then add the remaining milk. Allow the bechamel to thicken while stirring continuously to avoid lumps. This basic bechamel recipe is all ready to be used in lasagna, cannelloni, crepes, and any delicious au gratin dishes. Let me know how you will use it and I'll give it a try. Perfect! Bon appétit!